Hello group 3, how are you all? And I hope you are doing great, wonderful, amazing, safe wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing and subscribing to the channel, for giving me lots of love, and I'm very glad that I help you out in some manner. So this is your reading from your angels, spirit guides, divine ancestors and the universe for the month of December 2021. You can choose any one group or more than one group from group 1 to group 7. Okay, choose it according to your intuition from your inner guidance. Okay, and apply the messages and the guidance which you are getting through these readings according to your situation, and leave the rest. I hope it will help you out in some manner. So let's start today's reading and let's see what are the beautiful messages for group 3. Okay, if you have not subscribed yet to the channel, then please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and you can also let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. So while doing the meditation, the message which I was receiving here was very beautiful here. Okay, so these are the messages which I'm going to tell you before starting your reading here, which I received here. Only in your reading, only in group 3, I received clear messages while doing the meditation. So there is a twin flame you are dealing with. This is kindred partnership, spiritual union, which is coming up for you in the month of December here. So there is a Archangel Chamuel will bring you closer to your twin flame. Together the both of you will be more powerful than work on your life purpose. So there is a spiritual union which is happening for you, group number 3. So you are dealing with a twin flame. Group number 3, you are dealing with a twin flame, and there is a spiritual union, a kindred partnership which is coming up for you in the month of December 2021. That's the message I'm receiving here for you. First message is here. Okay, there is new beginnings which are starting here. A new start is coming, a new beginnings are coming for you. There is definitely new beginnings which are coming up for you. A new start is coming up here. Okay, and some of you are going to travel somewhere. Okay, so traveling is indicated in your reading, and there is loving woman. So this is your twin, okay, the twin flame, the divine feminine. So that's the message I received here. So let's start your reading and let's see what are the messages. These were the messages which I received while doing the meditation. Okay, so let's see the messages which are important for you. Please, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me, help me out to deliver the messages for group number 3 for the month of December 2021. Please give me the messages. Maybe there is a clove leaf. You must be seeing clove leaf around yourself, or the infinite symbol here. What is the message for group number 3? First message I received for you is twin flame. Okay, please give me the messages. And this message I also got in meditation also, but I did not told you, and now again I am getting this message. So this is lack of communication. Angels wants you to be mindful and work on your communication skills, as you are invariably misunderstood. So you have to clearly communicate with your twin flame. Okay, because right now whatever you are communicating, you are your twin flame is not be able to understand you, and they are misunderstanding you. So you have to work on your communication skills. There is lack of communication between you and your twin flame. Okay, so you have to work on your communication skills. Okay, and be mindful whatever you are saying to you or your twin flame, because of this lack of communication, things can be complicated between you and your twin flame. Okay, the second message is oneness. Angel assure you that you are protected and guided by one of the ascended masters whom you love and worship, and this is very powerful message. Whatever ascended masters you love and worship, you are being protected and guided by them. Okay, if you are whatever ascended master you love and worship, okay, they are protecting you here in your twin flame journey in your life. So ascended master is with you, and this is very powerful message. I have not received any beautiful message for any other group till now. Okay, so this is very beautiful starting. Okay, so let's see more messages here from the Psychic Tarot. I already received 2 messages. Please give me one more message for group number 3. Please give me one more message for group number 3. So there is spiritual union which is happening for you. There are new beginnings, new start. Okay. Sacrifice is here, and bottom of the deck I am having hope. Okay, let me read it out from the book here. Okay, so this is a message. This is powerful achievements are usually born as a result of great sacrifice. This card represents self-sacrifice at a time when you should look around your life to see what needs to be released. By surrendering and letting go, there will be more room to receive. So the rewards for this transformation, wisdom and gratitude and enlightenment. So these are the rewards, because you are making a room for new things. You are letting go of old things and you are welcoming new things. So these are the messages for you, and these are very powerful message here. Okay, that you are letting go old things, old hurts, past hurts. You are forgiving things, and you are sacrificing those energy. That basically you are understanding the value of positive things, the value of letting go, surrendering to the divine. You are understanding that thing. That's why this new start is coming up for you. You deserve this, group number 3. You are forgiving yourself, okay, and you are moving in a forward directions. Okay, so that's very beautiful. Please give me one message for group number 3. Please give me one message for group number 3. Okay, still you need to ask yourself that what you need to release. If you are still holding any kind of energies, then you have to ask yourself that what is the thing you need to release, and expect powerful change. So this is very beautiful. So expect a powerful change, because a new start is coming up for you, group number 3. Okay, in the month of December. So you need to release anything which is still there inside of you. You need to ask yourself, and then you have to move in a forward direction here. So this is very powerful and beautiful message. Now let's see more message from the Beyond Lemura. Please give me message for group number 3. Kindred partnership is coming up for you. Wow. Please give me message for group number 3. Please give me message for group number 3. Many of you, your soul star chakra is activating. 0909 is a recording reading time. Okay, you are merging with the divine. Maybe you can see lot of number synchronicities of 369. Okay, so 0909, maybe you can see lot of number synchronicities of 909. Okay, because you are activating your soul star chakra. You are merging with the divine. You are becoming one with the universe, one with the God. Okay, the oneness is coming here inside of your soul. That's why you are manifesting the union, the spiritual union between you and your twin flame. Okay, and explore your unique gifts. Share your unique gifts. You have lot of unique gifts inside of you, so you have to share and explore and get to know about more about these unique gifts. Okay, and sorry for that. Okay, so you have to explore these gifts and you have to get to know how to use these gifts for spreading light, for completing your soul purpose. Okay, for the betterment of all. Okay, to spread light, peace in the world here. So that's the message I'm receiving. So explore your own unique gifts here. Your scleral chakra is also getting activated here. Okay, so let's see more message here. So the first message for you is strength and courage. You are being guided by the cosmos. Stay strong. A positive outcome is assured. Live your life fearlessly with courage, strength and determination. So definitely expect powerful change. A beautiful new beginning is going to start for you in the month of December 2021, because you are merging with the divine. You are following your inner guidance, and this is very powerful here. Okay, now let's see more messages for you. This is stillness. Reflect on this moment with love, kindness and compassion. Okay, so reflect on this moment with love, kindness and compassion. There is inner alchemy. Inner alchemy is achieved when you react to fear with love. That's why you are thinking the higher picture, the higher perspective. You are now merging with the divine because you are working on yourself. You are seeing the picture from a higher perspective, and that's very beautiful, group 3. Okay, I'm proud of you, because many of times we cannot see the higher perspective, that why these challenges are coming, why this is happening in our life. This is the thing which we think we cannot be able to see the higher perspective, and you are watching the scenario, the situation from a higher perspective here. So that's why you are achieving the inner alchemy, the oneness, the wholeness, the merging with the divine here. 1 2 2 1. So let's see one message for this group number 3. Please give me one message for group number 3. Please give me message. Please give me message for group number 3. Too many messages. Please give me one message. Okay, I got 2 messages for you. I'm going to take it. So you have to trust. Okay, keep your trust here. Only transformation occurs through acceptance. When you accept the current situation, it will automatically transform. Okay, so expect powerful change. Trust the divine plan. 1313 is a recording reading time. This is very powerful reading till now, group 3. You are very powerful souls, old souls here in this group, because and high vibration souls who are right now merging with the divine, activating the soul star chakra, getting the spiritual union. Okay, so this is very powerful because there is a lot of angel number synchronicities while recording your reading. Okay, 1313 is the activation of a divine feminine ascension code. That's the ascension code of divine feminine. Okay, and now you must be transforming into the divine feminine. Okay, so that's the message. It's divine feminine. I'm talking about divine feminine. Okay, it's not about gender. I'm not talking about the gender. Okay, the next message is only time will tell you. Okay, so you have to keep the trust. Okay, transformation is coming. Beautiful things are coming for group number 3 for the month of December here. That's the message I'm receiving here for you from the divine, from the angels here. Okay, so let's add one message from animal spirit for group number 3. Please give me the message for group number 3. Okay. See, giraffe picture is here. See the bigger picture. And that's what I was telling you, that you are already getting the bigger picture thinking process. You are already seeing the situation from a higher perspective, from the bigger picture. You are already seeing the situation from a higher perspective. You are looking towards the situation, that why this situation, what is the lesson this situation is trying to teach me, okay, how I can grow on a soul level from this situation. Okay, so you are thinking like this. And for those who are not thinking like this, that message is that you have to see the higher perspectives, see the big picture here. Okay, giraffe spirit is here. Maybe you can see number synchronicities of 1111 here. Then the next message is canary spirit, sing your own song. Okay, sing your own song. So these are the two animal spirit messages here. Now let me add one message from the life purpose. What is the life purpose for group number 3? Please give me the messages for group number 3. What is the life purpose for group number 3? Okay, the message is freedom. You are free to do what you choose. So you are having freedom to do whatever you want to do, whatever you will choose to do. You will have that freedom, and that you can do. Okay, so that's your life purpose, that you have a free will, you have a freedom to choose whatever you want to choose for your own self. Okay, so this is very powerful message here. You are free to do what you choose. So that's the life purpose of you. Now let's see, what is the thing which you need to surrender? What is the thing group 3 needs to surrender? Please give me one message. What is the thing group number 3 needs to surrender here? What is the message for group number 3? Surrender procrastination. Now is the time to jump on a goal instead of putting it off. Take action will attract success. 1717 is a recording reading time. Maybe you can see 88 number synchronicities here. Okay, so surrender procrastination, take action and move in a forward direction here. Okay, because taking action will attract success in your life. So this is very beautiful. Now let me add some message from astrological deck. I just cut it out, and this is 7th house, and 7th house is all about marriages, husband, wife. Okay, this area of your life is all about long-term significant partners, romantic business and family, and this 7th house has been increasing in your life. Okay, that's why you are having a twin flame, and you are going to get married with the twin flame here. There can be a Cancer here. 1818 is a recording reading time. Okay, either you are a Cancer or your partner is a Cancer, but Cancer energy is here. There can be a Leo here. Okay, your immortal spirit, purpose, destiny is involved with the twin flame. Okay, with the home and roots of your being. That's why the twin flame is coming, because they are, you know, your destiny, your immortal spirit is your purpose, your destiny, everything is involved here with the twin flame. And this is Sun. This is the new happiest beginning which is coming up for you. So this is very powerful reading, group number 3. Please let me know in the comment section, okay, if you are resonating with this reading, because this is very powerful reading, very powerful souls, I can say that. Okay, what is the message for group number 3? Group number 3. Group number 3. This is 6th house, which says the work, health and duty area of your life. Okay, so this is 4th, there is 4th house, 6th house and the 7th house. Okay, let's see more messages from the astrological deck here. What is the message? Some of you can be an Aquarius here. Okay, let's see. Please give me the message for group number 3. The sun is coming here again and again. You are dealing with the twin flame, and your twin flame is involved. Your life, your twin flame is involved with your destiny, with your life purpose. Okay, with your spirit here. Please give me message for group number 3. Please give me message for group number 3. They can be a Gemini here. Okay, Gemini energy is here, and they can be a Virgo here. Okay, so there is Gemini, Virgo, Cancer. The South Node, destined to release. Okay, I'm going to talk about more later on. Okay, so this is Uranus and radical change, and this is destined to release. Okay, so whenever you are destined, South Node is all about destined to release here. So Leo energy is also here, definitely. So whatever you are going through in your life here, you need to release that energy, and you will expect radical changes. That means you will expect sudden changes in your life. Okay, because Uranus brings unexpected changes, sudden changes here. So you will get sudden changes once you release, which you need to release, which you destined to release in this lifetime. Whatever you need to release. Okay, that's why the message was, what do you want, what do you need to release? So there is something which you need to release. So release that energy, because that is the thing which you need to release. That is the thing which is destined to be released. And once you release that thing from your life, there will be sudden unexpected changes which are coming, which will come in your life here. Taurus energy is here. Okay, any other message for group number 3? So there is Taurus, Virgo, Gemini, Cancer, Leo. Okay, so these are the signs. Okay, so let's see more. Any other sign? Okay, house number 2, physical security, possession, self-worth, material values. So you will learn lessons about self-worth. Okay, your lessons will involve your self-worth. Okay, your physical security, the possessions, which the material values which you are having in this lifetime. You will learn those lessons here in this lifetime. Okay, so your life lessons will be involved around your self-worth, the physical security, the possessions here. Okay, this is a position imbalance, a point of tension, and a power struggle. So whenever this life lessons will come, you do not have to be opposite here. Okay, do not fight with this energy that why this is happening. This is happening so that you can learn your self-worth. Okay, you can learn the physical security, the possessions, the material values, and all. So you do not be feel the power to struggle with these situations, a power of tension, a power of how to handle these situations. You can handle it. Okay, so they are making you understand here. Okay, so let's see more message for group number 3. See, that's what I told you. Sextile energy is here. This is a combination of tension and flow, potential and rewarding situation. Whenever this situation, the soul lessons which you are destined to have, which you have to learn in this lifetime, when this situation will arise, once you accept this situation and you learn the lesson, you will get a rewarding situation. You will get that reward. These situations are coming with a reward. Once you learn the lesson, you will get the reward. So try to learn the lesson and just flow, just go with the flow. Okay, release those energies and see the picture from a higher perspective, see the potential of a situation. And some of you can be dealing with you are an air sign. Okay, so air signs are here: Aquarius, Gemini and Libra. Okay, so that can be a possibility. I told you they can be a Taurus, Virgo, Gemini, Aries, Aries can also be a possibility. Okay, Aries, Leo, Gemini, Virgo, Taurus, Cancer, Libra and Aquarius. So these can be the signs here. Now let me close out your reading with this story time. Please give me the messages for group number 3. What is the message you want me to deliver? Okay, so you are getting a crown here. So that means you are rising as an emperor or an empress. Okay, and the second meaning is your emperor is coming here. Okay, your emperor is coming, your empress is coming here. Wow. So see, can you see 2 tickets are here? So some of you are going to travel. Definitely, I told you in the beginning that there is a traveling which is indicated in your reading. So 2 of you are only traveling. You and your twin flame is going to travel here, and there is a fairy here, there is an angel here, okay, who is supporting you, and this is your ascended master message here. So you are surrounded with a lot of fairies, angels. You are not alone at all. And this is 2 of Cups energy here. So this is 2 of Cups energy. So this is very powerful message here. Okay, so this is colorful, powerful messages which I received for you. So all the best and enjoy your traveling which you are going to have with your twin flame. This was your reading, and you can also let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Okay, so sending you lots of love and happy energies and healing energies to all those who are watching my video, group number 3. Okay, so take care of yourself and see you soon.